Lori Janja, hello. Hello and namaste to everyone. I am Sajan Rai. This is Dogbull, and here's my new upgrade on the setup. If you could see it, here's a new audio jack from GoPro. So I just bought a new audio adapter jack or whatever you call it. So धेरै दिन बादमा motor vlogging गर्दैछु, and I was so it was so tough to begin again. I was so like insecure about everything, but yeah, the hardest part is always to begin, so I began again. आज मेरो अलिक कामै छ. I need to change the tires of Dogbull, so yeah, on the अरु कामहरु पनि छ. So let's just walk and talk, ride and talk, in fact. I hope the audio quality is fine. पहिलाको पनि there was no complaint. Like I used to record on Sony को recorder, but the problem was जुन चाहिँ post production मा चाहिँ धेरै problem arise हुन्थ्यो. Like I had to synchronize the audio with the video, so that was really time consuming. So what I did was, like, I finally bought a GoPro's audio adapter. यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ I don't have to do lots of work post production मा. So what am I gonna do? The very first thing today is that I'm gonna give a very nice wash to my bike, किनकि हिलो गाडीमा एकदमै बेसी struggle थियो हैन. Look at the traffic as the lockdown has been lifted, so this is somehow expected. So yeah, I'm gonna give a nice wash to my bike. After that, change my tires, र त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ pollution काट्नु पर्ने छ, किनकि मेरो pollution fail भइरहेको छ. And yeah, this new setup feels really heavy at the front, किनकि त्यो audio adapter, त्यही माथि GoPro and mic को त्यो डल्लोहरूले गर्दा it feels pretty heavy. गान्तोकको यस्तो heavy traffic मा धेरै दिन बादमा वेलकम छ मलाई. गान्तोकको ट्राफिकमा चाहिँ ओह्रालो कुदाउनु चाहिँ इट्स अलवेज च्यालेन्जिङ देन उकालो कुदाउनु. उकालो आई इन्जोय राइडिङ उकालो देन ओह्रालो गान्तोकको ट्राफिकमा. सिक्किमको वेदर पनि भर्खर मात्रै अलिक सम्लिँदैछ. सो या, चियर्स टु द्याट. सो मैले बेसिकली मोटो भ्लग नगरेको एकदमै बेसी भएको थियो. अन्त हुन्छ नि, आई फिल काइन्ड अफ अक्वर्ड खाले नि आफैसँग बोल्दा पनि अब कस्तो त्यो जोस जागरै छैन द्याट आई युज्ड टु हेभ बिफोर हैन. सो या, सम अफ यु आर आस्किङ व्हेन माई नेक्स्ट मोटो भ्लग इज गोना कम. सो हियर इट इज, दो इट इज नट द्याट स्पेसल काइन्ड अफ हुन्छ नि राइड or something, but yeah, I felt like doing it because I need to revive my energy, revive my josh and enthusiasm. That is the reason why I must continue. So yeah, it would be really good if you could comment down, it really motivates me. Whatever you like, you don't like, if you could respond, then it's really good. किनकि बेला बेला everyone gets dismotivated के हो word यो. So yeah, some of the times people get demotivated, and right now I am in that some of the times. So yeah, त्यस्तो जोस जागर केही छैन. So basically लाइफको अपडेट भन्नु पर्दाखेरि एक्जाम्सहरु सकेको छ, and I am pretty sure I'll pass with flying colors. I can't imagine, like, I did my dream exam हुन्छ नि. सबै स्टुडेन्टले एक मनले सोचेको हुन्छ कि एक्जाम चाहिँ यसरी गर्नु पाएको बा भनेर क्या एन्ड अभियसली ड्रिम फुलफिल्ड घरमै बसी बसी गर्नु पाउँदा त होइन सो म मेरो बाइक वासमा आइपुगेँ एन्ड आई विल प्रोबब्ली बी वासिङ माई बाइक ओभर हियर पिछेबाट गाडी आएको छैन ओके राइट So I'm done with the wash and now it's time to get some new rubbers. यहाँ कता हुनुपर्ने यहाँ कता हुनुपर्ने टायर दोकान त्यहाँ रहेछ ओके 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 all right टायर चाहिँ पछाडिको बाइकको डुअल पर्पस टायर हुन्छ नि छ यसमा साइज कुन चाहिँ जान्छ कुन चाहिँ लाग्छ अलिक ठुलो आमा साह्रो ठुलो हुँदैन प्रब्लम दिँदैन हो कि म आई केम देयर फर्स्ट तर पनि नो प्रिफरेन्स टु द फर्स्ट ही वान्ट्स मी टु पार्क समवेयर एल्स सो आई थिङ्क इट्स बेटर आई फाइन्ड अनदर सप त्यस्तो मजा हुँदैन नि त के हुन्छ बाइक पनि सो अभियसली त्यस्तो मजा हुँदैन अर्को टायर दोकान पनि छ अलिक माथि So let's check it out there. Though lockdown hasn't lifted, तर पनि अलिक पातलै छ. The traffic is quite light and that's a good thing. Give me your feedback on audio if you could. Oi man. अर्को टायर दोकान अलिक माथि छ. So basically when it's very sunny and too much of traffic, I don't like to ride at all at Gangtok, in Gangtok, whatever. Forgive my grammar. But यहाँनिर पनि टायर दोकान बन्द भएको जस्तो छ ओ क्र्याब यहाँ बन्द रहेछ अब अलिक माथि छ देउरालीमा It is really gonna be a very long day. Yeah, baby. Oh. The thing is, I'm very scared to overtake Gangtok town ko traffic na. But eventually I have to because he is very slow. I like to play safe, so no horse riding. What a joke. No, like seriously, no horse riding. Just checking my sound, just checking my audio quality in high speed. Awesome. Again, it was pretty warm, pretty humid. कुदिरहेको छ त अन्त somebody just got busted किनकि आज भाइ त टुडे 2nd of October भानु जयन्ती what the fuck भानु जयन्ती अरे crazy so today is 2nd of October Gandhi Jayanti and happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone पुलिस ज्यूले नै अड गाडी कुदाउनु हुँदै रहेछ सो इनफ्याक्ट पुलिसलाई पक्रिँदैन so somebody else got busted for riding the okay this is a very wrong way to overtake I'm sorry I should not take it from the left lane but I eventually did forgive me oh my lord forgive me I need to काट्नु the pollution. My indicator has stopped working. So कति त यो भाँचिँदैन फेरि मुनिको यो भाँचिँदैन हल्लेर
यो भन्नुभएको
हजुर यो कसरी बान्नु हुने
कसरी बान्नु त्यही सोच्दैछु
लडी जान्छ होला look at the way I am carrying tires. Struggle, man. Struggle. Every day is a struggle. So finally the tire has got changed and that's a new tire. So mud guard going पछाडिको त्यसैले गर्दा I had to take that out. Size अलिक ठुलो भएको कारणले गर्दा टायरको साइज this time I've taken little. ए भाइ यहाँ त भाँचिन्छ नि इन्डिकेटरमा नबान्नु नि यता बान्नु नि यता
कहाँ इन्डिकेटर भाँच्छ हल्का छ
हुन्छ त So new rubber. The thing is that the size of this new tire is one size larger than the original. त्यसले गर्दा अलिकति प्रब्लम भयो because the size is little large, so fitting गर्दाखेरि अलिकति प्रब्लम भयो because साइलेन्सरको एउटा सानो पार्टमा पनि छुँदै थियो and अर्को चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि मेरो पछाडिको मड गार्ड चाहिँ फिटै भएन because the tire is quite large. So yeah, I had to take them out. I'm just going for a short spin. I just want to try how the new tire performs. So yeah, pickup ma alikati difference huncha भन्थ्यो अलिक ठुलो टायरले तर I can feel no difference. मलाई चाहिँ एउटै लाग्यो अलिकति स्लो हुन्छ भन्दै थियो तर it is pretty fine. Braking will be much better because of the new rubber. The performance is fine. Okay, so now there's no issue with the big tire, with the size. Yeah, it was a very long day. One thing you should take away from me that Gangtok ma चाहिँ कहिले don't buy or don't change tire किनकि किन्नु एक जग्गाबाट खोल्नु एक जग्गाबाट चेन्ज गर्नु एक जग्गाबाट लगाउनु अर्को जग्गाबाट man it was a hectic, you know. I had to reserve a car to मैले गाडी रिजर्भ गर्नु पर्यो क्या यता र उता टायर लानुको लागि हुन्छ नि क्र्याब यो टायर चाहिँ बाइ द वे रेल्को हो सो म यहाँसम्म मात्रै जान्छु I'll take a U-turn. It was a hectic day. It was a very long day. More 11:30 तिर निस्केको. It's 2. So yeah, I wanted to do a very short spin बजार तिर तर I obviously could not. र मलाई अहिले चाहिँ जानु पनि अल्छी लाग्यो जागरै छैन basically. There will basically be a difference in ergonometrics obviously because the size of the tire is pretty large than normal, so one size larger than the normal, so it's obviously going to be, you know, pretty much different. But त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब चेन्ज पकेटहरु छिटो खान्छ टायर छिटो खिन्छ Yeah. I don't know why I got the larger size tire. I don't know, I just got it. So off to my place. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you liked it, though like त्यस्तो खासै चीज चाहिँ के पनि थिएन, but I hope you could find something to take away from this vlog. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, do comment. It will help me to make, it will inspire me, motivate me to make more contents. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in another vlog. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye. धन्यवाद.